Please hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Welcome back guys. Today we will be solving sum and the difference of the two numbers HackerRank problem. The algebra required is very easy. It is a basic problem whose objective is to acquaint the user or the student with the use of basic mathematical operations like sum and difference, and the main trick or the core of this problem is to teach user or the student to how to format his output. For example, in this question we have been asked to output the floating point numbers sum and difference accurate up to 1 decimal place. So it's the main trick, and the tutorial main objective or the purpose is only this thing. So I will take you to the screen and explain how to do it. So let me first declare a variable. Always initialize before using. I will scan the number. Never forget an ampersand in scanf. Now printing it. Running it. So I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can see it is read to the 6th positions, and as it is greater than 7th number is greater than 5, so it is been rounded off. But as you see in the tutorial, we want it only up to 1 decimal place. So what to do? So the trick lies here. In C, the format specifier can be modified like this. Now let's run and see what happens. Let me save it first and then run. Again I enter the same 3.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now as you can see, it is been output only up to 1 decimal place. Hula, we have done it. But now let me explain what is this. So here this number 0.1 which I have written. So in 0.1, 1 represents number of decimal places. Like we want 1 decimal place over here, so it is been 1, and the 0 represent number of spaces to be left after 1. For example, I will show you using 10 here. Control S, saving it. Suppose I only use 3, so you can see some spaces are left after it, and 1 decimal 3. So you can use 10 3 4 anything with floating point numbers as well as with integers, but using int type with %d you don't need to use 0.1 or something, since decimal have no point after it. So since the logic is being clear, now I will walk you through the solutions. I have first initialize A and B and then declare the floating point numbers. Scan through the console, and don't forget ampersand in scanf, it's very crucial. Then since you can see in the output there is a space between the two numbers, so even in printf we have to give one space between the outputs. Now submitting the code. Yes, we have passed all the test cases. So that's all for this video. I have given link to my blog in the description box. Kindly check it once. If you have any doubt or want anything, comment down below. And please, I hope it added some valuable knowledge to you. Comment down below the objective of this problem. I will be glad to see that. If you want some more codes on this channel or want any solution to the particular problem, please feel free to share. See you in the next video.